Hey everyone, welcome to Sperm, and today we are going to install ChatGPT on our Android device. With ChatGPT installed on your device, you can quickly get the answer to your questions right on the time. Without going into the web browser and opening up the site, then logging in order to use the AI chat box. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. This is a keyboard from Microsoft called SwiftKey keyboard. It comes with ChatGPT built into it. If you download it by yourself, it won't work because it is still in beta phase. But to download this keyboard and to start using it, watch the whole video. First, open Google Play Store and search for SwiftKey keyboard. Don't download this one, but scroll down to download the Microsoft SwiftKey beta and click on install. Now to set up the keyboard, open the SwiftKey keyboard app. Click on Enable SwiftKey and enable it from here. Click on Select SwiftKey and select Microsoft SwiftKey Beta. And click on Finish Up. Log into your Microsoft account or create new one. It is important to use ChatGPT features. Tap on Yes for agreement and you have got your keyboard basically set up. Now you can open any application which supports typing. For example, I am using Notes app. Here tap on Bing button on the keyboard, then tap on Chat. It will open up the chat conversation with Bing's integrated ChatGPT. You can type your query here for an answer and you can also use voice input. Another feature this keyboard has is to rewrite any text in 4 different types of sentences. To do that, click on Bing icon, select tone and type your text that you want to rephrase. Click on this Go icon and you have got 4 new sentences in 4 styles: professional, casual, polite and social post. So that is it for this video guys. Like the video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends and subscribe for more awesome videos. Thanks for watching.